AMD just took a massive hit, and like clockwork, the comment section is flooded with the usual retail panic. Is the distribution selling? Is the top in? Is the secular AI bull market officially over? At Tuesday closing bell, AMD wrapped up the session at 572.9, logging at sharp 7.3% single-day dump. On the surface, the daily candle looks pretty ugly and scary to the public. But let's zoom out for some macro context. Right before this flag crash, AMD executed a face-ripping free-session squeeze of over 20%, printing a fresh all-time high at 558. So if you retail logic, every single pullback from an all-time high is a cyclical top. If that were of type, the Nasdaq would have peaked and died thousands of times over the last few decades. If you're trading these high beta AA setups, smash the like button and drop a comment. Do you think this flush is a textbook institutional shakeout or a structural distribution? Check the description for our live desk metrics. Most retail tourists only know AMD because of the recent artificial intelligence boom. But there aren't some overnight hype story. They design premium CPUs and GPUs, computing directly NVIDIA and Intel. For a long time, the street only cared about NVIDIA. But now, hyperscales and massive enterprise buyers are aggressively hunting for a secondary source, making AMD the ultimate beneficiary of this rotation. Especially the AI center space. AMD top line compounding speed has been insane. Institutional desks completely abandoned legally validation models for this stock. Think of this way, if NVIDIA is the absolute straight A-tech version of the AA class, AMD is the hyper-aggressive underdog right next door, whose grades are catching up at an alarming speed. So what does the smart money love to do? They don't buy when the retail hype is completely crowded. They let the stock rip. Then engineer violent intraday stop hunt to see who flushes at first. A heavy technical pullback after hitting a 558 peak, completely standard tape action. Momentum was overextended and short-term fast money choosing the de-risk and take profit is it perfectly healthy. The $1 million metric to track isn't a single day 7% liquidation flush. The real question is whether institutional buy orders will step back in to absorb the cheap supply at the key support levels. Right now, Wall Street targets display a wide spread from 385 to 665 moonshot with the current average pinned right near 507. It's exactly what they're printing now. It isn't a life or death breakdown for AMD. It's a standard retest before choosing the next macro direction. The AI fast is over and AMD still a premium seat at the heat table. Whether they shop sideways or prepare launch another vertical squeeze back to ATH, we will let the price action dedicate our next trade. Subscribe for more alpha, check the description, and I'll see you on the next tape.